In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a blank name on TikTok. So you could do this on browser or on your phone. Also, just go ahead, type blank character on your Google Chrome or whatever browser you have, and then enter this link, which is compact. Then copy this character, which is a blank character. After that, just go ahead to your TikTok account, click on edit profile. As you can see, you can't edit the username with the blank characters, so you can only edit the name and make it with blank characters, as you can see. So after you do that, just click on save. So let's redo it. Enter the blank characters, then click on save and try again until it's changed. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.